Hey guys, so this is a review for the Della air conditioner. It's a split unit. It works super well, as you saw. It's running right now, and this is the remote for it. You can see it has a lot of different options. You can run it on auto or cooled, or it even has an option to dry, so if it's really humid and you need to dry out the room a little bit. And it is also a heater. It's really easy to install, and it can heat up, depending on which one you get, it can heat up a big room really quickly. Also has this feature called I Feel, so you can click it and it'll tell you the room's current temperature on like the I Feel setting. But yeah, it's got a turbo mode, so if it's really hot and you gotta cool it down quick, you can. And all these other features, swing left, right, up, down. You can even change the reading to Celsius. But yeah, it works really well, especially if you live somewhere where it's really hot right now. So I recommend it.